Ozempic has a black box warning that within 12 months of use, it increases your risk for every form of medullary thyroid cancer. Oncologists around the world who are getting new diagnosed cancer patients, if they're on Ozempic and Wegovy, 100% of them are developing breast cancer in less than a year using Ozempic and Wegovy. People magazine last week reported that there's thousands of Americans who are reporting eye-rotting diseases being on Ozempic and Wegovy. Their eyes are literally rotting in their orbits of their skull. Do you know what Ozempic and Wegovy is made of?
No.
It's a venom protein from the Gila monster lizard. The forked tongue of this lizard is what they use to make Ozempic. The Smithsonian Institute was interviewed and they were asked, how deadly is Gila monster lizard venom? And do you know what Smithsonian reported to CNN? Gila monster venom is actually more deadly and more toxic than a western diamondback rattlesnake. It's venom to humans. All right, everybody, ask your doctor if Gila monster venom is right for you. And then I'd like to ask you, anybody taking Ozempic and Wegovy, I'd like to ask you, do you believe you're overweight? Do you believe you're diabetic? And do you believe you have heart disease because you're Gila monster venom deficient?
Dakle, sve nešto što dođe odande, na kraju nam odande i dođu informacije. Nekako uvijek više verujemo tim informacijama i meni je to potpuno okej, jer kad mi to kažemo iz ovog studija, onda oni kažu, ba, de, to nije tako.